In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Redmi 15C. Now first things first, ensure that Bluetooth has been enabled on your Redmi 15C. So go to settings, scroll down and select Bluetooth and ensure that Bluetooth has been enabled. Now once they have enabled, all you have to do is power on your Bluetooth speaker and put it into pairing mode. So press the designated button on your speaker to power it on, and then from here press the button or the designated button to put it into pairing mode. So for this one, I'll just press the Bluetooth button to put it in pairing mode, and then once it's in pairing mode, go back to your Bluetooth settings on your device and then tap on refresh to scan for any available devices. And then once your speaker has been discovered, tap on it to allow to begin the pairing process, and then you should see this prompt, pair with that particular speaker. All you have to do is tap on pair, and that should connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Redmi 15C. And there you go, you should see this option connected and it's active. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.